Hi everyone, it's Sheila. Welcome to my channel, Face and Fashions, and today is Face Mask Monday, and I also have another fabulous, fun, fall-inspired DIY project that I want to share with you as my face mask is drying. So let's get straight into this video, shall we? Now I'm going to start with this Wonder Beauty, and this is a lift off, purifying, brightening, peel off face mask. One of my favorite face masks that I enjoy, and it really peels off nicely. So I hope it does a good job on this video. Now, as you can see, it's a beautiful rose gold color. So I'm going to go ahead and apply this, and I'm going to tell you about the fabulous DIY project that I have for you guys this week. I was over at my daughter's house and she had a fall centerpiece, and I looked at it and I'm like, Steph, that's beautiful. She let me sit down on the floor because I told her how I'm doing these Face Mask Mondays and I'm having fun doing little DIY projects. It's kind of a new thing for me recently. So she, as a fabulous daughter that she is, she let me sit down on her floor and completely tear apart her centerpiece so I could recreate it for you guys. And it's beautiful and it's easy to do, and I can't wait to share it with you. So, as you can see, my background is now not Halloween anymore, and I am ready for fall. Okay, so let me go ahead, let me pull the camera back, and we are going to start the DIY fall inspired project. Okay guys, so now I'm back. I think I got the camera angle right. Hopefully you guys can see everything. Now, this is a fall inspired centerpiece. My daughter had this sitting on her living room coffee table, and I just, like I said, she let me tear it apart and share it with you guys. So I have everything ready to go. I have all my stuff here ready, so it's gonna go quick and easy. And I can't wait to share it with you. Okay, first off, all you need, everybody's probably got an old cake pan or a cake dish like this sitting around their house. So that's one of the items you need, but we're gonna put that off to the side first. Now, a lot of the stuff I had, but I did go out and purchase some of the items, and I went to Walmart, and down the craft aisle, they had like this orange burlap. So what I created, my daughter had a lovely little runner on her table, so I just took this orange burlap and I created my own little runner. And what I'm gonna do is put this directly in the middle. Hopefully that's centered nicely. Now it's kind of hard because I'm doing it from the backwards to the frontwards, but we'll make it work. Now also with the burlap, what I decided to do is I created two semicircles and got it to go right here in the cake dish to give it a nice orange fall color, and also to cover up all the cracks and little whatnots in the old pan. Now, what this is going to turn into is a cute little fall centerpiece. And the first item that I had to go find is I knew I wanted a candle, and I found this at the Dollar General store, and this is a tropical getaway mango smoothie candle. Yes, doesn't sound very fall-like, but I'm sorry. Look at those colors. That looks like a candy corn to me. So I'm like, I don't care if it's a tropical scent. I love the colors and I think it's beautiful, and that's what we're gonna start with as the candle, because you're gonna be able to burn your candle and it's gonna be a beautiful fall centerpiece. Now, to save time, what you do is I got some fall leaf garland and I got it ready to go. So you just put that around the candle. And like I said, I'm gonna fix it towards the end. I'm just gonna put this out like as you do it. And also on the bottom, I have another fall centerpiece or fall leaf garland, and you put that around the bottom. And you kind of want to, like, the base is right here, so you want it to come out a little bit further than the base. So it gives it a nice layering effect. Now here's where the fun decorating part comes in. I found these at Walmart's. I found all these little cute little pumpkins, 99 cents. So I got a whole bunch of cute ones. And I'm gonna put this one right here in the front. I have 4 for the top. And I'm just going to show you really quickly how to do this. And I will have to fuss with this a little bit to get it completely perfect, but I will get it perfect by the time this is all over with. But we're just gonna start right now and do this. And then you put the 4 pumpkins right here. Now, I'm not gonna do this yet, but I also cut an old flower bouquet that was all fall colors. And what I'm going to do is stick the little flowers in the gaps, and it's gonna fill it in nicely, but we're gonna do that last. Now, since we got the leaves on the top, we got the leaves on the bottom, I got the pumpkins on the top, now we're gonna put the pumpkins on the bottom. And like I said, these were at Walmart's for all 99 cents. So I decided I'm gonna put that one there in the front. And I loved this yellow one, so I want to put him right here in the front too. Off to the side, like I said, you want a little bit of room in between each one so you can, you know, fill it in with flowers. And then I have this one. We're going to put that one back there. And then I have this one. We're going to put this pumpkin right over here. Now really, how simple is this, guys? And wait till you see the finished project. It is just so beautiful and elegant. Now, if you guys remember last week, I did a more Halloween kids craft. So that's why I was really, this is like beautifully elegant, and I'm really happy to share this with you. Okay, so now all we do is fill in little gaps here and there with flowers as you feel like you need it. I'm doing this all backwards for the sake of the video, but you guys can see pretty much how easy this is and what a beautiful, beautiful addition to any table this would make. Let me see, I'll put that one right there. Hopefully this is coming out, you know, it's so hard working from the back frontwards. Okay, now I also have some other flowers, and we're gonna fill in the bottom part with the flowers in between the pumpkins. So we're gonna put that one there. And you know what I was thinking? This can so easily be converted into a Christmas. Can you imagine doing Christmas bulbs with this? And putting little snowman or whatever your heart desires. Like, you could create a Christmas centerpiece that could be equally as beautiful. I could see Christmas bulbs and green garner or green garland. And my daughter, you know, there comes a time in life where, you know, you're the mom and you're the one teaching your daughter everything. And now my daughter is grown and she's teaching me. And that's like really the beautiful, wonderful part of having children and just seeing the stages of life and how everything just, and now I'm going to be a grandma, and it's just really a wonderful time right now for us in our family. We are really all just blessed and so, so happy. Okay. Now I also have this cute little fall. I'll put this back here even though you're not going to see it. But of course, you would want to stand up and do any final arrangements on this. But I mean, what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause the video right here. I'm going to stand up and I'm going to fuss and try to like make sure it looks good. And then you guys could see the final finished project. But even me, working backwards, half blind, I'm kind of like, I got my mirror right here and I can kind of see. I mean, even I'm happy with it just like this before I even start fussing with it. Okay, so I will be back with the finished project, and we will peel off this face mask. Okay, everybody, I'm back. I fussed with it a little bit. I think this is so, so beautiful, and I'm very happy that I was able to share this with you. And thank you, Steph, for letting me tear apart your centerpiece. I really appreciate it. And yeah, I'm heading over to my daughter's house and copying all her craft ideas because she's really the crafter in the family. Okay, so now it's time. Let's get this face mask off. I kind of got the mirror angled over here, so hopefully I can still do this with the centerpiece in the way. Now this is a purifying peel off face mask, and it usually peels off pretty good. Now I went in the bathroom and I tried to start it, so let's see if we can keep going with it. I love a good peel. I love when it comes off in one whole chunk. It's just like so satisfying. So let's see if we do it this time. Oh, it's looking good. Oh, yeah. Hold on. Like I said, I love this face mask. How about I don't talk while I'm doing this? Well, we got most of it. A little bit more. I think I got a little bit in my mouth too. All right, but this is a fabulous, if you want a good peel off face mask, I don't have it. I will insert a clip of it right here. I won this actually from Barbara from BC Cells. I don't know if I said that earlier, but this makes a great satisfying peel off face mask, and it really does what it's supposed to do. So yeah, I would highly recommend this face mask. Okay, let me try to clean up a little bit here. All right, I got most of it off, where I'm gonna have to get in the bathroom to get the finishing touches. But I hope you guys enjoyed Face Mask Monday today, and I'm still peeling some off. And I hope you are happy with the little fun centerpiece that I was able to share with you. And I hope you guys have a lovely week, and I'll see you on next Face Mask Monday. Bye-bye.
Fun, 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 fun. Yeah, 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 yeah.